Vice Chancellor of Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University or PJT-SAU, Professor V. Praveen Rao has been selected for the 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award. The biennial award instituted by retired ICAR Employees Association and Nuzivedu Seeds Limited is given to agricultural scientists and professionals in recognition of their contribution towards the progress of agricultural sector in the country. The award selection committee, headed by Dr. R.S. Paroda, former Director General of ICAR, selected Dr. Praveen Rao from among the 13 probable candidates from the fields of agriculture, horticulture and veterinary sciences. According to the officials of the Agricultural University, the committee in its communication on the selection of Dr. Rao to the award stated that outstanding and innovative contributions of the PJT-SAU VC in the areas of agricultural research, teaching, extension and administration made them select him for the award. As the first VC of PJT-SAU since 2016, Dr. Praveen Rao has contributed in the areas of micro-irrigation and water management. Progressive academic reforms and visionary research initiatives taken up in his stewardship has transformed the university and gained the first position in South India and 6th among the state agricultural universities in the country in the ICAR rankings. Dr. V. Praveen Rao assumed charge as Vice Chancellor of Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University or PJT-SAU on 26 July 2019 at Administrative Office, Rajendra Nagar for second term, with over 35 years experience as a teacher and researcher, starting his career at Andhra Pradesh Agricultural University in 1985. Dr. Rao has handled 13 research and 6 consultancy projects of micro-irrigation in India, Israel and South Africa. He was technical advisor and was instrumental in formulation and commissioning of the micro-irrigation project covering an area of 0.9 million hectares in combined AP, and the project was considered as a milestone in Indian agriculture, the university officials explained. As an international micro-irrigation consultant, Dr. Rao contributed in the area of digital knowledge material on drip-irrigated agricultural and horticultural crops. As a dedicated academician, he has published about 164 research papers in peer-reviewed national and international journals. The research papers were also part of several field irrigation practical manuals, books, crop growing manuals, project documents and video films covering different aspects of micro-irrigation and fertigation management. Currently a member of Telangana State Council of Confederation of Indian Industry, Dr. Praveen Rao has several laurels to his credit so far. Our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Praveen Rao Velchala, holds a PhD degree in agronomy with specialization in crop water requirements, micro-irrigation scheduling and fertigation solutions of tropical field and orchard crops, and crop yield water modeling. Since 1983, he has served for 33 years as a teacher, researcher, extension agronomist and administrator in different capacities in the Agricultural University, namely Professor and University Head of Agronomy, IFCO Chair, Director Water Technology Center, Registrar, Special Officer and presently Vice Chancellor of Professor Jayashankar Telangana State Agricultural University. Also served as technical advisor on micro-irrigation to several state governments and expert member on micro-irrigation committees in India and abroad. International micro-irrigation consultant for 5 years in Israel, promoting implementation of sustainable water conservation technologies in 20 Asia-Pacific, African and Latin American countries. Dr. Rao has guided 11 MSc Agriculture and 10 PhD students to date, with particular reference to crop water requirements and irrigation scheduling. He published 117 research articles in peer-reviewed national and international journals, authored 10 books and 5 UG and PG practical manuals, 9 crop growing manuals for farmers, 12 micro irrigation project documents, 13 DVD singles, 22 pamphlets and folders, delivered 13 international and 32 national invited keynote or thematic presentations covering different aspects of water management, micro irrigation and fertigation technology. He was also the recipient of Meritorious Teacher Award in 1998, Leadership Award for large-scale promotion of micro irrigation technologies in India from Soil and Water Conservation Society of India, Lifetime Achievement Award in 2015 from GVK Society, Agra, UP, India for contributions to water management, Marsha Fellowship by SINADCO, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, State of Israel in 1995, and Net Award for Knowledge Contribution in the field of micro irrigation technologies from Netafim Limited, Israel in 2006, Fellow of Telangana Academy of Sciences, Indian Society of Oilseeds Research, etc., International Active Member of American Society of Agronomy, Soil Science Society of America, American Society of Agricultural and Biological Engineers, International Society of Horticultural Science, Asian PGPR Society of Sustainable Agriculture, Life Member of Indian Society of Agricultural Science, Indian Society of Oilseeds Research, Indian Society of Agronomy, Indian Society of Plant Physiology, Indian Society of Soil Survey and Land Use Planning, Soil and Water Conservation Society of India, Indian Society of Agricultural Science, also a member of the Telangana State Council of the Confederation of Indian Industry or CII, Expert Panel Member, Agriculture Panel, and Member, Advisory Council, Indian Institute of Public Health, Hyderabad. Handled 13 research and 6 consultancy micro-irrigation projects in India, Israel and South Africa. As technical advisor, he was instrumental in formation and commissioning of world's largest micro-irrigation project covering an area of 0.9 million hectares. This project was a significant milestone in Indian agriculture and set a benchmark for micro-irrigation technology application on a large scale in India. As an international micro-irrigation consultant for 5 years in Israel, contributed to mapping, organization, storage, dissemination and sharing of agronomical knowledge and development of digital knowledge content for more than 198 drip irrigated field, vegetable fruits, plantation and biofuel crops to create new capabilities, decision criteria for diffusion and adoption, enables superior system performance, encourage innovation and enhance stakeholder value. Developed a website like sugarcanecrops.com, ethanolcrops.com concerning sustainable drip irrigated sugarcane production for the benefit of drip irrigated sugarcane growers in several countries like Brazil, India, South Africa, Thailand, Australia and Philippines, etc.